Hi there. So this is how you use your Sony digital recorder. So the important buttons here on the side, you have your volume, your power, and the USB slider. You slide this, you can plug it into your computer, and that's how you charge it up. It's also how you can get the files off of there. Especially if you're using NTE, you can upload your files from there. So I'm just going to turn this on just by sliding the power down. So we have some options here. I can record, I can go into the settings, return to the recording, listen to music, or listen to my recorded files. So right now, I don't believe there's anything on here, so I'm just going to go down to folders. The built-in folder, there's no files. So I can use this back home button and get back up to the main menu here. If I want to record, I'm just going to press record. So right now you can see that counter is counting up. It's recording everything I say. I'm going to press stop. So it's finished recording. I'm going to make a second recording. So right now this is my second recording, and I'm going to press stop. So by going to the back home button in the bottom, I can go over to my recorded files. I click this button to go in the middle. It's always easiest just to go down to the folder, and you can see all your files. They're all in folder 1. So these are my 2 files. If I want to play the second one, I just have to move down with the arrow and click the play button. So right now this is my second recording, and I'm going to press stop. Okay. If I go back, I can look at my recordings again. If I want to delete a recording, I just move to it, and I can press this option button in the corner, and this gives me an option to delete the files. I can also delete all the files if I want, so I'm just going to delete the one file for now. It's going to give me the option do I want to delete it or not, and it plays it so I can hear if it's the right file. I'm going to click yes. So now I just have one file left if I want to play it. So right now this is my second recording. Alright, so if I want to delete that recording, I have to go back, hit the option button, and I can delete that file. So right now. So the other option is to look at the files on your computer. So I'll just show you real quick. I'll do another recording. So right now this is a recording I am making on this digital recorder. So I hit stop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the USB. I'm going to plug this into the side of my computer. So it will charge the recorder when you do that. So on my desktop, this shows up. These are the files that show up automatically. I want to go into the recorded file, and the same name as the folder on the digital recorder is folder 01. And this is the file I just made. So right now this is a recording I am making on this digital recorder. So from here I can simply just drag this onto my computer, or I can even delete it if I want to just get rid of it. So this is how you use your digital recorder.